Welcome to the stunning alpine village of Zermatt, nestled in the Swiss canton of Valais. This car-free town lies at the foot of one of the most iconic peaks in the world, the mighty Matterhorn. Zermatt has a rich history dating back to the 13th century, when it was just a tiny farming village today. It is a global hub for mountaineers, hikers, and ski lovers from around the world. The name Zermatt comes from the German words Zermatt, which means to the meadow, making perfect sense for a village surrounded by lush alpine pastures and wildflowers. But what really put Zermatt on the map was the dramatic first ascent of the Matterhorn in 1865 by Edward Whymper, an English mountaineer. The climb was a success, but tragically 4 of the 7 climbers fell to their deaths on the descent, marking both triumph and tragedy in alpine history. Rising to 4,478 meters, the Matterhorn stands tall as one of the highest peaks in the Alps. Its pyramid shape is so perfect that it looks like it was carved by an artist. The mountain straddles the border between Switzerland and Italy, attracting thrill seekers from both sides. The weather around Zermatt is famously unpredictable. Summer days can be warm and sunny, but sudden snowstorms are not uncommon. Even in July and August, Zermatt itself sits at 1,600 meters above sea level and is best reached by train from Visp or Brig with the Scenic Glacier Express, offering one of the most beautiful train journeys in the world. No cars are allowed in the village, which keeps the air clean and the vibes calm. Electric taxis and horse-drawn carriages are the main ways to get around, making Zermatt a peaceful escape in the heart of the Swiss Alps. The Matterhorn is more than just a mountain. It is a symbol of Switzerland and appears in countless postcards, posters, and yes, even chocolate. The triangular shape of Toblerone was inspired by the Matterhorn itself, and if you look closely, the logo even hides a bear inside paying tribute to the Bern region. But did you know that over 500 people have died trying to climb the Matterhorn since that first ascent in 1865? Despite this, thousands still attempt the climb. Each year, most start from the Hernley Hut, a base camp at 3,200 meters, and take the classic route along the Hernley Ridge. The climb is challenging and requires skill, experience, and a good dose of courage, but the view from the top is unlike anything else the Alps have to offer, making the Matterhorn not just a destination, but a dream for adventurers across the globe.